Okay, I know this one will take you a split of seconds to answer. Question 39, WASSCE 2025, the February edition. They said the standard deviation of a set of data is root 6 on 2. We have to find the variance. We know the variance is the square of what? The standard deviation. If you find the square of the standard deviation, you get the variance. If you find the square root of the variance, you get what? The standard deviation. So we can just say that the variance is going to be the square of the standard deviation. So what do we do? The root of 6 divided by what? 2. We square this. Remember, a over b all squared is a squared over what? B squared. So you square the first one, that will be giving you 6. You square the second one, that will be giving you 4. And that will be 3 on 2 equals to 1.5. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.